Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, June 6th. I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So the pound dollar monthly, I still believe this is going to end up growing into an uptrend. I think it's going to make like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, possibly an A or maybe a wave 1. Either scenario, I think it's going to go up and take out these highs and make a nice uptrend, looking something like that. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame is where you can see the higher highs, higher lows, which I think is a wave 1. I think this right here is actually an ABC correction. It's kind of an irregular ABC because it took out the high of wave 5, and the wave C I think is going to make a higher low than the wave A, but I still think it's going to be an ABC of 2, and I still think it's going to eventually head up and finish off this uptrend by making a wave 3, a wave 4, and a wave 5. So let's keep all that in mind as we keep going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame is where you can start to see this downtrend here, which I still think could be a wave C. I do see the possibility this is like a 1 and a 2, and then it goes down and makes a 3, 4, 5 of C, which would actually be a very common looking pattern if that is what it does. But I also see the possibility that we have the end of a trend on the sort of time frames, and that this move down is going to make a higher low, and it just keeps on trending up because this very easily could be the end of a wave C already. So let's head down to the 4 hour time frame. Now on the 4 hour time frame, we have a nice impulsive move up right here, a nice uptrend with a break of structure. So that pretty much proves to me that this downtrend is over. Now this could be a 1 of C, this could be a 2 of C, and it could very easily keep going down for a 3 of C. So definitely be aware of that. Now the fact that we do have an end of a trend could mean that the wave C is already over, and that this is a 1. This move down is going to be like a 2, and it very easily could bounce off a fib level and just keep on trending up for a wave 3. So we definitely want to try to identify the end of this third wave down. If it bounces off a fib level, makes an impulsive move up, that is most likely going to tell us that it is a wave 2 and that we definitely want to get long for the continuation of the uptrend. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, so far it definitely does look like a possible wave A. It does look like a ABC correction, like a wave 2, and we definitely could be in a wave C right now. So if it does make an end of a trend at one of these two Fibonacci levels with an impulsive move up and a break of structure, that's what will tell me this is a wave C, and that's exactly what I'm looking for the continuation of the uptrend. Now on the other hand, if this is not an ABC and it's actually a 1, 2, 3 and it just keeps on trending down, then I will not be looking for longs until I see a break of structure to the upside. And if it's a wave 3, then it will not break structure, so I will not start looking for longs. I'll just continue to look for shorts in this downtrend, and if this wave C turns into a wave 3, that definitely does not matter to me at all, because I won't go long until I see a break of structure to the upside. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.